Well, here we go with the 67 Fairlane 500 XL. On the block right now, Professor Craman. What a car.
Factory R-code 500 XL, only 72 were built. What does R-code mean? 427 cubic inches, 425 horsepower, 2 4-barrel carburetors, 4-speed manual transmission. Yes, that hot 427 that has been so legendary in the Ford lineup in the mid-1960s, right in the heart of their total performance era, was factory installed and available in the Fairlane in '67. Look at the money. Reserve is off $135,000.
Wow. There we go, 140.
Yeah, in my book, R-code means, are you ready to rock?
Yeah, especially in this mid-size car. You know, we see it from time to time in a full-size Galaxy, but in this smaller platform, this is a Ford performance legend.
30 grand since the reserve came off at 135. Not done yet.
That blue metallic paint, special order, not a regular available color. The reserve did come off at 135,000.
Yeah.
So we're 50,000 over that.
Yes.
Customs, exotics, and investment grade high-end muscle. No shortage of any of those here at Mecum Las Vegas, Bill.
We're about 3 years removed from a Thunderbolt, and we are sort of like in Thunderbolt money right now.
60 grand since the reserve came off.
The Thunderbolt you mentioned, 1964. Car intended for drag racing. This car intended for high-performance street use.
We often say it takes two guys interested in a car to take it to the moon. So there it is. $200,000. Just bought that R-code Fairlane 500 XL, Professor.
Be a long time before we see another one like that, Scott. One last great look.